What's going on, everybody? Joe here with JM Productions and JM Photography and Media. And today we're going to take a look at how to add links to your Instagram page and your Instagram bio. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright everybody, so here we are on my Instagram page. And what we're going to be looking at today is a very quick tutorial on how to add links to our bio, kind of like this right here. So you'll notice there's a blue clickable link in my bio on my Instagram page. And one of the reasons why this can be useful is if you're trying to promote a specific product, or if you're trying to send someone to a specific website or a YouTube channel, for example, from your Instagram page, you can add a link and it'll take them directly to that page or that channel from your Instagram page. So what I mean by that is something like this. If you look at this YouTube link, it's clickable in my bio, and if I click it, you'll see it takes me directly to my YouTube channel. Okay, so that helps direct traffic from your Instagram page to whatever link that you put in your bio. So it's a very easy process to be able to do this. All right, you can do this on cell phones, on tablets, electronic devices, or your computer the same exact way. It's the same exact process. So all you're going to do, you're going to click Edit Profile, and then what you'll see is name, username, website, bio, all this stuff, okay? In the website bar, you'll notice that's where I have my YouTube channels linked. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that and click Submit, just so that you can see that now there's no clickable link in my bio. All right, so let's say that I did want someone to come to my YouTube channel. All I would do is just copy that link and then go to Edit Profile, and in the website bar I'm just going to paste that link and click Submit. Alright, now if I go back to my page, what you'll see is that link is once again in my Instagram bio. Alright, so that's a way that we can add links to our Instagram page in order to be able to sell products, promote different YouTube channels, whatever you want to put in there, even if it's a personal blog or website. That's where you can add your links on your Instagram page in order to send your users wherever you'd like them to go to follow your products. All right, so I hope that helped you guys out. All right, everybody, so that concludes our quick tutorial on how to add links to our Instagram page and our Instagram bio. If you got good value out of this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. It'll really help us out. And also, if you have any questions or comments, please stop by that comments section and let us know what you think. As always, thank you so much for stopping by our channel. I'm Joe with JM Productions and JM Photography and Media. We'll see you next time.